time's running out to get your dog supplies for Passover. We've only got a little bit of time left, so I recommend doing that sooner rather than later. These are the ones we like the bandana. It looks like a piece of matzah, and it says Happy Passover, and we like that because it's cute, and it fits her just fine. But we really like these toys, and the dogs like these. They're little tug toys. It says, one side says My Passover Treat, the other side says Kosher for Passover, and we like, that's the tag. And it's got a squeaker in it, and of course it looks like matzah, and it's a great gift if you're going to somebody else's house for Seder. Take it if they have dogs; they love it. It's a great host or hostess gift, or just to get the dogs involved and keep them entertained maybe while you do your Seder.